Bunge ciothe cia bunge ya gĩbũrũri na bunge ya Senate nĩ marathiĩte break na nĩ makorirwo magicoka mũthenya wa tarĩki 27 of May 2025 na nĩ kuma na maũndũ mangĩ maingĩ mũno magũkorwo makĩarĩrĩria. Of course we have the 2025 budget which is going on right now, which irakorwo ikĩhĩtũkio thaa ici. There are other more important issues. Kinya atungatĩri nĩ mũraroga na kũrĩa Kerio Valley kwĩna a lot of things. Activists aitũ nĩ maranyitwo kũrĩa Tanzania. But guess what? The MPs chose to discuss Rigathi Gachagua's utterances.
I've just come from the National Assembly and this is very interesting. Rigiji just united members of parliament in their first day to discuss Rigathi Gachagua. And what is the topic of discussion? Is utterances around matters to do with 2027. And let me say this, that I feel sad that the first order of business after coming from recess, it's about Rigathi Gachagua utterances. It is not about capitation. It's not about the just hiked exam fees. It's not about the debt matters that are reeling this country. It's not about the issue of public seal that is now in the public domain. Yes, no. It is not even about matters the abduction of young people who we don't know where they no longer are. It is about Rigathi Gachagua and his utterances. And I feel sad that this is a motion not sponsored by just any member, but sponsored by the minority leader, who I now call the deputy majority leader, because it's like the minority and the majority came together. And that's a matter. I stayed in the National Assembly for close to 1.5 hours, and that is a debate that was there. The debate that is really unhelpful to Kenyans. And I believe we have set the bar too low as a National Assembly, and this needs to change. And now that I didn't get a chance to debate, I want to say clearly that the utterances, the debate was a debate that really tells you how Rigathi Gachagua is not just your normal villager as they want to depict him. Is a person who is uniting all members who impeached him to continue discussing Rigathi Gachagua. And I'm quite dazzled by this, because the fact of the matter is Kenyans deserve better debates. Kenyans deserve better National Assembly, and Kenyans deserve substance in what they pay as their taxpayers. But who am I? I'm just a young member of parliament, just elected, but we have to change and ensure that this country has better value for money when it comes to members of parliament.
Recently nĩ gũkoretwo na mĩario Rigathi Gachagua akorirwo akĩaria na aririe kũrĩa Ubina Show Live. Mĩario yakorirwo ĩkĩrehe ndereti ĩmwe nene mũno gũkũ nenda-inĩ na in the political scene, tondũ augire atĩ in case IEBC yage gũkorwo ĩgĩkithia gĩthurano gĩa 2027 kũringana na mawatho na mĩtaratara, na gũkorwo gũkĩonekana atĩ gĩthurano kĩu nĩ kĩaiywo, then kaũndũ karĩa gakorirwo gakĩhanĩka in 207, that will look like a Christmas party. Koguo ũndũ ũrĩa ũkũhappen in 2027 it will be much bigger. Mĩario ĩno nĩ ĩrehete ngũri ĩmwe nene mũno in the political scene. Nĩ tũrona andũ arĩa they are allied to William Ruto magĩkũmithia Rigathi Gachagua na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno, gũkũ makiuga atĩ ĩyo nĩ kũrehe njatũkano na gũkorwo akĩ-incite andũ for a possible vurugu in 2027. That is what started the discussion in parliament.
Who on earth is going to protect us from this monster, Mr. Speaker? Who's going to protect us? Because the government looks like it's unable to take an action against him. I did not know I was impeaching initially a man of this type. I never thought I impeached him based on gross violation of the Constitution and other things. But now I've realized, Mr. Speaker, madness, mental problem is not walking naked in the street. You could be dressed in your suit, Mr. Speaker, with a tie, but you're a madman, Mr. Speaker. That's what I've come to realize of late, Mr. Speaker. Because a leader of that type, a leader who wants to lead a political party in this country, cannot say, now what's happening, Mr. Speaker, he is almost making a region of this country look like an alien in this country. Very soon he wants to fence it off, like the Aberdare forest. That if you want to go there, you must get permission from him, Mr. Speaker. You cannot go and visit even your relatives there. You cannot even visit your people there, Mr. Speaker. You cannot do any politics in that area unless you get permission from him. Mr. Speaker, I want to say this. This country has experienced this, and we will not allow it to repeat. We will not allow it, Mr. Speaker.
It's about time Wamunyoro be arrested. The Honorable Gachagua should be behind bars for the statements that he made. Persecution, regarding Gachagua, he should be a state guest, Honorable Speaker, latest this weekend. That is a state guest. He should be charged. He should be charged for incitement. He should be charged for, under the NCIC laws, Honorable Speaker. He should be charged, Honorable Speaker, by, he shouldn't be allowed to run up and down, Honorable Speaker, talking venom and spitting venom and calling everybody all kind of names, Honorable Speaker. These dramas, Honorable Speaker, must come to an end.
This man believes that the death of Kenyans, the bloodshed that this country witnessed in 2007, as unfortunate as it was, Honorable Speaker, that he can equate the death and bloodshed that was occasioned on innocent Kenyans as a Christmas party. This, Honorable Speaker, tells you that this is indeed a man with a very dark soul.
For some hours, Tereti Yuma, William, Rigathi Gachagua na abunge ni moire tans gukoro magikomithia Rigathi Gachagua na kuringana na uria nyonire, this is laying a foundation for a possible arrest of Rigathi Gachagua. Tukoyo tukiona key people in William Ruto's government, Osoro, Mheshimiwa Silvanus Osoro wa Korea, Gethi, majority leader Kimani Ichung'wah, and other leaders maikoro makiarĩrĩria horo wa Rigathi Gachagua na Junet Mohammed wa ODM akiarĩrĩria horo ũcio. And when you listen to them, nirona hena kaundu. Monaga uria gifti irapagwo in that nirona kiria gi thiini no ni imerapiwa na ile karatasi ya kurap. That is how they are wrapping this, laying the grounds for Gachagua's arrest. Tondu muthenya wa muthi makoro makiarĩrĩria horo ũcio amidst all other important issues that have been happening. Makiuga uria Rigathi Gachagua arenda kugayũkania bũrũri. That is laying the ground for his arrest. And soon, ntoko tukiona Rigathi Gachagua akihangaishwa na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno. Atapelekwa kama gari za miraa, because right now he is talking. Ndona muthenya wa umuthi ndona gatheti ya 28th of May ya The Standard ironania uria thirikari ya South Sudan mara collaborate na thirikari ya Kenya gukorwo makĩingĩria weapons, the exact thing that Rigathi Gachagua said some weeks ago. Koguo thaa ici maũndũ maria Rigathi Gachagua arakorwo akiaria maingĩ nĩ mama, and the government told him to want maũndũ macio makorwo makianĩkwo. But Rigathi Gachagua cannot be contained. The fact that Nemwamuonirie madharau na mukimo impeach, he cannot be contained. Na nikio thaa ici turarĩkia gũkorwo tukiona maũndũ macio mothe. Now, suppose he gets arrested. I think nĩ gũgũkorwo na gĩthagathago kĩnene mũno. Because right now, nĩ akoretwo akĩgana support ĩmwe nene mũno. Especially kuma rĩrĩa akorirwo akimention kĩama gĩake na agĩtwĩra kĩama nĩ gĩkĩ. Rigathi Gachagua has been getting a lot of support. Na thaa ici gũkorwo akĩnyitithio. In fact, that will be kũmuongerera support na kũmuongerera mafans. Tondu whether he gets arrested, mani ati no akauma. Na akauma before 2027. So getting Rigathi Gachagua arrested is solving a problem, is creating a problem for a solution. So ndirona mienendo yo bunge ya Jiomuthi ikimitwara wega kana igitwara KK government wega, but let's wait and see. You never know. Politics is a very dirty game and very a game of wits, a game of everything. Let's just wait and see what is in store for Rigathi Gachagua, but trust me, something big. Macio no mawani makwa, ndiye mawani maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this.